Suggababies, it's your girl Sugar and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are coming back, hey, new content in the way. Hey. Nah, but y'all, let me tell you about this though. Let me tell you about it. It's looking a hot mess right now. It's like all freezing. But this is my first successful twist out. And I have wore the heck out of it because I've never had a successful twist out. Like, I always do wash and goes, bomb. I've done a flexi rod set, bomb. Like, braid outs, bomb. But twist outs, oh, you could not pay me to do a good twist out. Well, I guess you can because look, oh. Yeah, so anywho y'all, but I am about to go somewhere and it's all puffed up, however you want to say it. So I am about to get this part straight. Oh, okay. So once I get this part straight, boom. It ain't really straight, but you know, it'll work for these purposes. Oh, let me tell you how good my God is. It was a comb sitting right next to me, so it was meant to be. Friend, you laugh. That'll work. That'll do, little grasshopper. That'll do. Anywho. So, let me see. I kind of want to keep it, I don't know if this is defined. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just split it with the curls. I'm not going to interrupt the curl pattern that I already have. I'm just going to kind of, yeah, I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to do two little pigtails just to get it out of my face. And the styler that I'm going to be using today is the olive oil style and curl defining smooth and hold pudding. What's up with all these long names? Like, this is a mouthful. I can barely read. Shoot. Okay, what I don't have though is a ponytail holder. So you just want to take that and smooth it like that. Don't go all the way. You just want it on the visible part. Let me tell y'all how to catfish the world and thinking you got smooth edges. You just put it right there on the part that's visibly seen. Catfish with sugar 101. And I don't know where my brush is, so I'm gonna just use my edge brush and pray that it'll still slick my edges in a minute. Okay, now that we have that smooth, I'm gonna take some rubber bands. Don't look at me like that. Yes, I'm gonna take some rubber bands. The more rubber bands you use, the easier it is to break. That's a trick I learned. So I'm gonna use like 3 rubber bands because it's the only thing that's not gonna be visible. I could use a black ponytail holder, but it ain't gonna be as flat as I want it. So rubber bands it is. And remember, I said don't disturb the curl pattern, so break the hair where it's not messed up. And I want them to be low. Cool. Just like that. Oh, no, not just like that. Okay, take that and yeah, that's pretty cute. Then you just do the same thing to the other side. And I'm not really too focused on my edges right now because those are gonna get laid. Get laid. Grow up, Trevon. Alright, where's my celery? We're gonna add some jewels to it. Maybe not. Yes, we are. After we lay these edges. Let me teach y'all how to do the swoop. 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 Oh, I'm funny. Okay. Oh, and I'm using Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed gel. Oh, fun fact, did y'all know black castor oil helps repair your hair? So if you really missing edges, go get you some black castor oil. And I know, I think they're called African Pride. They make a brand, I think it's African Pride. They make a brand of black castor oil. And we're going to save the edges. Or you can go get you some kaleidoscope, because I heard that works too. But, yeah, fun fact. So hopefully my edges will be real strong. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So, y'all see that? I meant to say it when I did it, but you know, I was a little late, a little delayed. So, part. But yeah, that part ain't gonna be seen, so we good like that. And yeah, so that's the way to make it last a couple more days. Just, I don't know, maybe one more day, a day or two, a night or something. So anyway, if you guys liked this little fun quick video of how I save my twist out, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.